Hi, did you notice that when you're in your Facebook ads and you're in the targeting section in your ad set, make sure that you above there where you put in the countries that you want to target, make sure that you change it from the default because the default is that you target people in this area or recently visited. So it means you're targeting all the travelers, and those people are usually not the people who are gonna buy your product. Because when people are traveling, they're not looking to buy things, at least not on Facebook, maybe. So make sure that you change it to people living in this area. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friend. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, if you want us to run your Facebook and Instagram ads, please click a link in the description. Book a call with me to learn more about it. And also feel free to join our Facebook group for new coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.